All right, here we are. I got my fire extinguisher and a half-gallon of tea right at the ready, just in case. We're gonna see if this spot welder welds or makes fire. Contact. Woo! That's promising. Wow, 5 settings. Woo. Let's start out with 3, maybe. Well, this is supposed to be automatic, I think. Well, I see sparky spark, but we did not make an actual weld. Almost, though. Interesting. All right, well, I wasn't expecting much on 3, I'll be honest. Let's see what we get on 5. Because this is like the cheapest $12 POS one I could find off of AliEx. And, you know, the strip they give you is only 5 micron to begin with. Whoops. That didn't work very well. But hey, no flames. Let's see here. Meh. That is not impressive. Not at all. Let's see what our min-max is. While it's working, see how far down the voltage sags. Well, I finally got it to stick a little bit after like 4 stabbities. Let's see what our min-max was. Oh yeah, look at that. It sagged down to 9.4 volts. That explains it. Even my big old capacitor stack and that 70-80 amps capacity from that Cerber power supply just ain't quite enough for this thing. But hey, at least no fire.